Well, hello and welcome. In this presentation, I'll be looking to combine both linear sequences and geometric sequences. Just as a recap, linear sequences are where we add or subtract a value to find our next term. Geometric sequences are where we multiply by a value to find our next term. When we subtract a linear sequence, that can be thought of as being linear decay, and when I multiply by a number which is less than 1, that can be thought of as geometric decay. In both situations, we need our starting point or our initial value, or V0, and the rule to find our next term. As an example, look at the number sequence here: 2, 7, 17, 37, 77. This is where we'll have a starting value or initial value of 2, and then we have a rule to find our next term. Our rule is we're going to multiply our particular value by 2, and then we will add 3. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7. 7 times 2, 14, plus 3, 17, and so on and so forth. So this is much simpler to do on the calculator. So I will just go and bring up my calculator. Here we go again. So what I need to do, I take my 2, enter. Then for that particular value of 2, what I will do, I'll multiply by 2, and then I will add 3, 7. And then if I hit enter again, what will happen? That value of 7 will be the input to my next equation, next line here, which effectively 7 times 2 plus 3, and so on and so forth. Just moving back presentation here. Over the course of the next 5 videos, I will be combining both linear and geometric sequences to either growth or decay. Now, we will be looking at effectively 5 different financial products that are available from most financial institutions. The reducing balance loan, or possibly what you know as a home loan. That is where you borrow some money and then you look to pay it off over a period of time. An annuity. This is a situation where you invest a lot of money and then you will withdraw or redraw from your investment. Then we have what's called an interest-only loan. This is where you borrow money, for instance, to buy a house, and there you only pay back the interest. So you don't actually reduce the capital until the end of the loan. We also have a perpetuity. That is where you will invest an amount of money and then you will only withdraw the amount of interest that you earn. And finally, an annuity investment where you will make a lump sum deposit and then you'll make periodic payments. So what you'll see here, reducing balance loans and annuities are very similar. In concept, our next term basically equals an interest component that's added on minus an amount that has decayed due to a linear sequence. In this situation, the D will be greater than our RV, in other words, for a home loan, our repayment will be greater than how much I have to pay for interest. So in the long term, the value of Vn will approach 0. With an interest-only loan, this case, all I'm doing is looking to pay back the interest. So the interest will be the same as the repayment of the loan. And the annuity investment, I'm earning interest, and I'm also adding more money to my investment to accelerate the growth of my investment. A little bit of a mouthful trying to explain these, but once we get to a few examples, I think you'll have a fairly good idea of what's going on. So until next time, bye for now.